500 East Riverside in the Riverwalk condos. Nice updated kitchen. I'm going to show the detail of the, I think this is probably like silestone or Caesar stone. Updated sink. Looks like a washer and dryer as well. Nice kitchen that's been ungallied. I know. How's that for a technical real estate term? And we think these might be pergo floors, or that they look and feel like real wood. And this is a one bathroom, isn't it? So this is the shared bathroom. Some very useful storage. Here's the end of the hall bedroom. All of these, this patio and these blinds are almost impossible to open. All have kind of a lengthy patio that go right off of the bedrooms and then overlook the pool. Kind of a courtyard style. The condo community actually looks like it's in really, really good shape. No rotting wood that we can see, and of course it's right on Town Lake. And here, of course, is the other bedroom. It's a really cool wall. And then